Hey everyone, so you pull out your iPhone, you try to take a photo or download an app, and you get that dreaded message, storage is full. Super annoying, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to free up space on your iPhone, and some of these tips are going to surprise you with how much storage they recover. Let's get into it. Before we start deleting things, let's figure out what's actually eating up all your storage. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Give it a few seconds to load and you'll see a full breakdown, a color-coded bar at the top showing categories like apps, photos, messages, and media, and then a list below showing every single app and exactly how much space each one is taking. This is super useful because a lot of people are surprised to find out where their storage is actually going. So take a good look at this screen before doing anything else. The first thing I recommend is offloading apps you don't use. Now, offloading is different from deleting. When you offload an app, it removes the app itself, but keeps all your data. So if you ever want it back, everything is exactly where you left it. To do this, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap on any app you haven't used in a while, and hit Offload App. You can also turn on Offload Unused Apps automatically, and your iPhone will do this by itself whenever it needs space. This alone can free up gigabytes without you losing anything important. Photos and videos are almost always the biggest storage killer on any iPhone. A single video can take up hundreds of megabytes, and most people have thousands of photos sitting on their phone that they've never even looked at twice. Go through your camera roll and delete anything you don't need. Blurry shots, duplicates, random screenshots you forgot about. Also check your recently deleted album in the Photos app, because deleted photos actually sit there for 30 days before they're permanently removed. Go in there and hit Delete All to instantly reclaim that space right now. Another great option is to turn on iCloud Photos in your settings, which uploads all your photos to iCloud and keeps smaller optimized versions on your device, saving you a huge amount of local storage. This one surprises a lot of people. Your Messages app stores every single photo, video, voice message, and file that anyone has ever sent you. And over time, this adds up to a crazy amount of storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and tap on Messages. You'll see categories like photos, videos, GIFs, and stickers with exactly how much space each one is using. You can review and delete them right from there. You can also go into Settings, Messages, and set messages to auto-delete after 30 days or a year instead of keeping them forever. A lot of apps store temporary data called cache on your phone. Things like downloaded content, buffered videos, and saved data that builds up over time. Apps like Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, and especially browsers like Safari and Chrome can hold gigabytes of cached data. For Safari, go to Settings, Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. For other apps, the easiest way is to offload them and reinstall them, which clears all the cached data while keeping your account and settings. It sounds like extra work, but it genuinely makes a huge difference. If you use Spotify, Apple Music, Netflix, or any other streaming app, check if you have anything downloaded for offline use. These downloads can take up enormous amounts of space, and most people forget they're even there. Go into each app's settings or downloads section and remove anything you don't actively need offline. Streaming directly instead of downloading is always the better move for saving storage. If you're constantly running out of space, the long-term solution is cloud storage. iCloud gives you 5 gigabytes free, and you can upgrade to 50 gigabytes for just $1 a month, which is honestly very worth it. Google Photos is another great option and gives you more free storage. Moving your photos and videos to the cloud means they're safely backed up, and you can delete them from your phone without ever losing them. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. And those are the best ways to free up space on your iPhone. Check your storage breakdown first, offload unused apps, clean up your photos and messages, clear those app caches, remove offline downloads, and consider using cloud storage for the long term. Follow all of these steps and I guarantee you'll recover a serious amount of space. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how much storage you managed to free up. I'll see you in the next one.